Assalamualaikum and hi. So now we are going to look at a question on chapter 8. These examples here is going to help you to understand your chapter 8 and also to help you or to guide you for your assignment questions. So the first question that we're going to look at is, okay, what we have in the question here is a centrifuge rotor is accelerated for 30 seconds from rest to 20,000 revolution per minute. Through how many revolutions has the centrifuge rotor turned during its acceleration period, assuming constant angular acceleration? Alright, let us first look for the information in the question. What we have here is the rotor is accelerated for 30 seconds from rest to 20,000 revolution per minute. So this is the time given. The duration here is for a 30-second duration. So dari segi time length we have 30 second, and then at the initial of the time where t is equals to 0 second baru nak start, you started from rest. So rest kita tahu initial angular velocity kita adalah 0 to 20,000 revolution per minute is our angular velocity at that 30 second itu. So this is 0 and then this is 20,000 revolution per minute. Through how many revolution has the centrifuge turned during its acceleration period, assuming angular acceleration? So dia kata acceleration kita adalah constant, and then dia tanya how many revolution. So basically we want to know revolution berapa. Revolution is angular displacement. Angular displacement kita boleh kategoriskan dia kepada 3 jenis. Radian, iaitu how many theta dia buat, how many pi radian dia buat, pi rad. And then dari segi revolution, berapa kali dia pusing, how many revolution, rotation dia berapa banyak rotation, number of rotation. Dan lagi satu adalah dari segi degree itself lah. Dari segi degree. Okay, all these are related to angular displacement. Okay, so to find that angular displacement, kita akan tengok kita ada omega naught, kita ada omega, kita ada t, and you are going to find the theta here. So equation yang ada theta, kita ada dua, iaitu theta is equals to omega naught t plus half alpha t square. Okay, ataupun kita ada omega square is equals to omega naught square plus 2 alpha theta. So salah satulah. So as you can see here, for the first equation here, kita ada omega naught, kita ada period dia, kita ada you need to find the angular acceleration, dan dia kata angular acceleration dekat sini constant, dan menggunakan informasi yang kita ada dalam soalan, you can actually find your alpha. Alpha adalah omega is equals to omega naught plus alpha t, di mana omega adalah 20,000 revolution per minute. Okay, 20,000 revolution per minute. Alright, so as you can see sebenarnya dalam soalan dia guna perkataan how many revolution. So dia nak tahu revolution, dekat sini pun dia bagi dari segi revolution. So if you do not convert at this particular point, kalau biarkan dia dalam revolution tak ada masalah sebenarnya. So boleh kalau tak nak convert revolution pergi radian, because the question also ask for revolution. Okay, so tak ada masalah dekat sini, diterima pakai. However, Miss akan tunjuk untuk kamu convert lah. Maksudnya kita convert dulu, baru kita cari kita punya theta dalam revolution balik. Okay, tapi kalau kamu tak convert, you still have to be careful sebab dia guna per minute dekat sini. So you have to be very very careful. Okay, you have to be very very careful dekat sini. Alright, so kita convert dulu omega itu 20,000 revolution. So darab 2 pi bahagi dengan minit, 60 minit. 1 saat 1 minit 60 second, sorry. And then you press your calculator. 20,000 tadi darab dengan 2 shift pi bahagi dengan 60. So what you get here is 2094.395 radian per second. So this is what you have got here as your omega, and then we're going to use this equation here to find the angular acceleration. So your initial angular velocity is 0 plus with alpha is what you're looking for, and your t is 30 seconds. So now you're going to divide the answer with 30. So you will get your alpha as 69.81 radian per second square. So next, what are we going to do is we're going to find the angular displacement. You can use either one of the equation. Let's say I want to use the first equation here. My angular displacement would be initial angular acceleration is 0, 30 seconds plus half. My alpha is 69.81 with my t square is 30 square, and then I just multiply with 30 square divided by 2. So I will get my angular displacement as 31415.93 radian. So this is in radian, and as we can see, the question asks in revolution. So we're going to convert that into revolution, as 1 revolution is equals to 2 pi radian. So what you have to do is you have to divide either answer that you have got in radian with 2 pi. So you will get 5,000 revolution. So this is how much revolution the rotor is going to make.